Alright, let's get that soldering iron back in action so you can get back to your project. First things first, don't panic, it's usually something simple. Start by checking the basics. Make sure the power cord is firmly plugged into the wall, and if your iron has an on-off switch, double check that it's actually set to the on position. If you've got a soldering station with a dial or digital readout, ensure the temperature isn't just set way too low. Sometimes it's as silly as a loose power connection at the handle or a blown fuse, so give those a quick glance before you assume the worst. If you verified the power is definitely flowing, the next likely culprit is the heating element or the tip itself. Check the tip to see if it's seated correctly in the heating element. If there's a gap or if it's loose, it won't transfer heat efficiently. Also, inspect the cord for any obvious kinks, cuts, or internal breaks. Frayed wires are a common issue if that iron has seen better days. If the tip is just heavily oxidized, it might look like it's not heating, but it's actually just not transferring heat to your solder. Try a quick clean with a brass sponge or a bit of flux to see if that helps things along. Finally, if you've checked the connections, the power, and the tip, and it's still cold to the touch, you might be looking at a failed heating element.